friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Palit GeForce GTX 1630 dual series graphics card. So friend, Palit has announced the GeForce GTX 1630 dual series graphics card, and friend, it is fabricated with the breakthrough graphics performance of the NVIDIA Turing architecture and offering 1.17 times better performance than the GTX 1050 and comes with performance on par with GTX 1050 Ti. And friend, the new series comes with even advanced specification and features including faster GDDR6 memory, DX12 support, and plentiful video codec support for broadcasting. And friend, is smarter choice for gamers and creators who are looking for entry level graphics card. And friend, this series brings a compact yet performance focused design that maintains the essential to accomplish gaming and multimedia tasks at hand. And friend, coming in 170 mm in length, and the model supports Mini-ITX form factor, protects for mini PC lovers, and EQ with 0 decibel tag. The fan will stop when under relatively light workload, eliminating noise when active cooling is unnecessary. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.